Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Jackie Layer.
What a day it was yesterday with all that snow, with all the wind, and also with all the coastal flooding. It was quite the storm, and we did see the blizzard verified for quite a few locations, including Boston, Worcester, Beverly, Hyannis, even Marshfield and Martha's Vineyard all reached blizzard status, meaning that we did see falling or drifting snow, winds at least 35 miles per hour in terms of gust over that. We did most certainly see that. Visibility less than a quarter of a mile, and all these three qualifications have to last for 3 consecutive hours or more. And we certainly did see most of these qualifications through most of the day. And that did add to these totals that we have seen across southeastern Mass and even across portions of the North Shore. We're talking over 2 feet of snow. That does include Stoughton, Canton, as well as even Sharon as well. Over 30 inches of snow fell there. About 25 inches down towards Brockton, 24, so right at the 2 feet mark for Foxborough. Bridgewater, 28 inches, and even 22 in Cohasset. As we pan farther off towards the north, about, say, a little bit more than 2 feet of snow out towards Chelsea, and just shy of reaching 2 feet in Boston. Boston Logan Airport registered 23.8 inches of snow. 20, though, in Marblehead, about 18 for Lexington out towards Worcester, 14, 16 in Grafton. Panning farther south and east, about 23 in Raynham, South Coast, New Bedford, 19 and a half, 13 in Mashpee, 11 for Hyannis. And we also did see those peak wind gusts. Wellfleet, West Dennis, topping out those totals, about 80-mile-per-hour gusts there. Rockport, 76 right along the immediate coastline. Scituate, 72-mile-per-hour gusts. And we also saw the battering surf and coastal flooding. This was quite a doozy of a storm. And storm scan right now, thankfully much quieter across the area. We're seeing mainly sun-filled skies to kick off your Sunday morning, but it is cold. We're seeing temperatures in the teens for many locations, aside from, say, out towards P-Town, where we're coming in at just 20 degrees. Winds coming in mainly out of the west-northwest, between 10 and even closer to 15 miles per hour. That's enough to make it feel like it's right around 0 degrees for wind chills. If it's feeling like 1 below, though, out towards Worcester and Fitchburg. Nashua feeling like it's 1 below. 4 out towards P-Town is what it feels like, just 1 degree above 0. So it feels like right now in Boston. So what can we expect for those wind chills through the day today? Well, right about noontime, this is what those wind chills will look like. It's right around what we're seeing right now. But through the afternoon, those wind chills should at least improve a little bit compared to what they're seeing right now. So wind chills at least double digits around 4 p.m. this afternoon. And then looking ahead towards 9 p.m., they start to fall back to right around, say, 2 degrees, or at least just below 0 as we get towards later on tonight. So just be mindful of that waking up tomorrow morning. Likely see some wind chills as well, and then temperatures do matter back upper 20s for your Monday afternoon. Tuesday still mainly sun-filled. By Wednesday, partly cloudy for Groundhog Day with temperatures mild into low 40s, nearing 50 by Thursday with a few showers, and then keeping an eye on a system for Friday that could bring some rain and snow mix. The models are having some difficulty with that one, so we'll keep an eye on that in terms of temperatures too. Back into the upper 20s by next Saturday.